The DJI Osmo Pocket series has carved a niche in the world of compact cameras, consistently providing content creators with a fusion of portability, advanced technology, and innovative features. As DJI introduces the Osmo Pocket 4, expectations are sky-high. This video delves into the anticipated enhancements and features that could potentially make it the ultimate tool for content creators of all kinds. Evolution of the DJI Osmo Pocket series. The DJI Osmo Pocket series has become a staple for vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers by offering tools that effectively turn creative concepts into tangible results. With the release of the Osmo Pocket 3 in 2023, the series raised the bar with its 1-inch sensor improving low-light performance and a 2-inch rotatable touchscreen that pushed the envelope for user interaction and vertical content creation. Projected features of the Osmo Pocket 4. Building on the successful foundation laid by its predecessors, the Osmo Pocket 4 is poised to incorporate several significant advancements. Advanced autofocus and tracking capabilities. The possible inclusion of phase detection autofocus and eye-tracking technology could revolutionize how users capture moving subjects, offering unparalleled speed and precision. Enhanced AI-driven tracking would simplify the capture of complex scenes, making it easier for creators to focus on storytelling. Enhanced weather resistance. Improved weather resistance is a highly anticipated upgrade. Sealing the device against water and dust would make it indispensable for creators who brave the elements to capture compelling content, thus broadening the device's appeal and utility. Superior image quality. The introduction of a higher resolution sensor alongside refined image processing algorithms could address previous models' minor losses in detail and sharpness, ensuring that the Osmo Pocket 4 produces exceptionally clear and vibrant images under all conditions. Upgraded display for enhanced usability. Addressing visibility and interaction issues in various lighting conditions, the new model could feature a brighter, higher resolution display. An anti-glare, touch-sensitive screen, possibly supplemented by an auxiliary display, would cater to the needs of creators in diverse environments. Broaden accessory support. DJI could extend its accessory offerings to include more versatile options such as longer-lasting battery packs, waterproof cases, and telephoto lens adapters. The addition of programmable waypoints and gesture recognition for hands-free control would make the device more adaptable and appealing to both hobbyists and professional users. Rugged build for enhanced durability. A more robust construction would reassure users who frequently encounter harsh conditions, ensuring the device withstands the rigors of adventurous use without compromising on performance. Creative flexibility through innovation. New functionalities, such as using the touchscreen as a fill light in low-light conditions or integrating the camera with a remote controller for improved operational flexibility, would position the Osmo Pocket 4 at the forefront of compact camera innovation. Projected release and pricing. Anticipated to debut in late 2026 to early